Hey there, y'all. It's Renee here. I'm going to be trying out these $3 press-on nails that I got at Walmart. And I want to start by saying that this is not intended to be a tutorial. It's more of a review and just a little bit of a fun video to do. So first thing I want to let you know is that I did purchase some nail glue separate, even though these have like a sticky backing on them. The first thing that I noticed after I got all the nails on is I tried them without having to use the nail glue, and Twisty also did her nails, and they just popped off so easily. And I understand that these are just kind of for costume, for fun, but if you don't want to be squeezing your nails back on all night long, I recommend getting that nail glue just to keep them on there. But you really do have to hold them on for it felt like once I put the nail glue on there, I had to just squeeze my fingernail for the longest time till the glue dried. So I mean, these are really just for costume. They're not gonna last, they're not durable, they're really easy to file. They're a super thin plastic. So I mean, for $3 you can't beat it. Actually, they were under $3. They were $2.98, and you get 24 nails. So we had enough to do both of our nails and still had a few left. But I didn't like the length of them, so if I was to wear them with a costume, I wanted to trim them down a little bit. And I actually thought about just wearing them out and seeing how long they lasted, but they just didn't have the durability, and I didn't want to have to sleep in those claws. So the other thing is, I know that it recommends cutting at the cuticle to shorten them, but I don't like to ever do that. I used to wear press-on nails a lot back in the day when I was younger, and cutting them at the cuticle seems to just kind of ruin the nail tip itself, and then you just can't use it. So what I did was put them on, let them dry, and then I started clipping them down and filing them. I mean, all in all, for under $5, I mean, for everything really, just around $5, it's a pretty good deal for a costume, and they're really pretty. I mean, Twisty really liked them on her nails as well, but we both ended up taking them off right after we did the video, just because some of them just would not stick well. That adhesive backing is not covered by anything. They're just kind of laying in the tray inside the box, so I feel like it wasn't the best adhesive, and it was really gooey. It was almost like that stuff that you stick the hook on the wall, just really, really gooey, almost like gum, I guess. But not bad for costume nails, just not going to be something that you're going to wear for any amount of time. They're really cheap and just won't hold up to any kind of wear and tear. But that is it. If you want to try them out, they do have them at Walmart, and like I said, they're $2.98. The nail glue was $1.94, and the file was, I think, 94 cents. So I mean, just around $6 all told, and it really wasn't that bad of a deal. They're pretty nails, they're just not durable. So there you go. Peace, y'all. Bye bye.